So right now, our digital portfolios are only visible to ourselves. We need to publish them so that the link will work for other people as well. To do that, we're going to click this Publish button. But first, go and find your link. So this is going to be your unique address for your portfolio. So you need to go to your class period, that's the first number, find your seat number, and then your initials. These are the initials I got from the attendance pages. If you need me to change that, come and see me about it. So I'll pretend to sit at computer number 99, and I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to go to my portfolio and click the Publish button. Since it's the first time, it's going to come up with a suggestion with your name, but we are going to use this code instead. Again, class period, computer number, this is the 2023 portfolios, and your initials. Remember that anytime you make any changes, you will need to click that Publish button again, or your changes will not be visible. And it's possible for you to do a lot of work but not get any credit for it when we go to check the link to your portfolio, because it just hasn't been published. If I click Publish again, just to make sure, you can see that there are no unpublished changes, and that's what you should see whenever you go to check that. If you're interested in adding extra links to your pages, please remember that Datatech Studio also has a reference page here, and so that when you're talking about Photoshop, including a link to the official Photoshop page on Adobe or any of the other pieces of software that we're using is a great thing to add on to your pages. This page of 2023 portfolios will be changing to active links as you get them published, so that we'll be able to check out your work.